day 2 in Krishnagore. Yes, we went for pandal hopping early in the morning, like at 3 a.m. or we went out, I think, from 3:30 a.m. onwards, and we were chilled, and we're still chilled because this sort of chill we cannot find in Kolkata, as there are a lot of congestion, lot of pollution, and due to so many reasons, and we couldn't enjoy the perfect winter there. But here, when you wake up and come to the terrace and then see such a beautiful environment, you cannot resist yourself from enjoying, or just be in that moment for like few minutes or two. So I hope this day goes right, and looking forward to the day. So this is the afternoon time, and after giving Anjali in the pandal, it was really late as compared to the original time, but never mind, things happen. So after a really long time, we came back home, we freshened up, and then we again took some rest. We had our lunch, and now we are chilling at the terrace, and nobody's with me right now, but they're coming. Still, we are chill. We are gonna chill here. We're gonna have a long chit chats or something, and yeah, that's all for day 2. I don't know what will happen this evening because things are really surprising as soon as I stepped in Krishnanagar, because things are not taking place as the way I have planned, but it's obviously taking place as the way I have not planned. So I don't know what will happen in the evening. So here's to evening, and I'll be updating you guys. Day 3, it's 6:30 in the morning, and we are now going to our native place, and I have a car full of guest appearances. Baba काका को देखा যাচ্ছে না একটু, and driver के ना দেখালেও হবে, দেখে চলোগে. So we'll be reaching there, I don't know in how much time. So there I will be updating again. So we have reached my native house. So the condition is a bit critical right now because there is no hands-on for a really long time. It's all green there, and I visited it for the very first time. I have to see many things. So okay. আলোচনা করেছিলাম. হাই আমি বাবা. It was really big when it had something, It was really big. This was the kitchen of that time. Now it had turned out to be a jungle, and this is the nameplate. and I really wish I could have stayed here because things are really so peaceful here. This used to be the kitchen. Can you guys believe it? It was so good at that time. So this is my native place and we are leaving it, and I don't know why I'm feeling so upset, but when I see this place I really feel really bad because the condition is growing bad day by day. Every day it's growing bad. But yeah, the place, the loving atmosphere, the loving nature of the people who stays here also, they're so surprised, they're so welcoming, and this green environment, this amazing place has some significance of its own, and I think I'm gonna miss this place a lot. So our way back home, we have came here for just a moment or two to spend some really, cool time, really peaceful time, and nothing more best can be there than village surface and village environment, green environment. And I don't know why I'm just not in a mood to leave this place, man. I'm just not in a mood. Just see this. So on our way back home, we have come to Krishnanagar Rajbari, and the entrance is not allowed right now, but we will be, having some time here. Okay. So this is the whole Rajbari, and the place there the successors of the king Krishna Chandra Rai, the people who are still alive, they come and stay there, and this is where the puja is being done, but it's not allowed for anyone because they stay here. And this is the entry door. Beautiful. Getting inside. Oh my god. কি লাগ ভাই?
This is awesome. এইখানটা বন্ধ। তবে নিচে থেকে ওকে হ্যাঁ ওই দিকতে হবে। ওটা রেখে দিন। এটাই বলতে নাট মন্দিরটা না? এটা নাট মন্দির।
এটা নাট মন্দির?
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে কপালে ছিল তাহলে। Yes. Yes, আমার ফার্স্ট টাইম আসা। থ্যাংক ইউ রাজা। ফুললি ক্রেডিট করো।
ও ওয়াও। আমরা কোথা দিয়ে যাব? চলো ওঠো। Rules and regulations.
কালকে হ্যাঁ
ওকে। So this is the Nat Mandir. এখানেই পুজো হয়। We thought ki it will be closed, but now খোলা আছে, and that's our good luck. That's really good luck. So this is the nursery of Rajbari. They grow so much vegetables, pure vegetables. Cool. Really cool. So this is it for Rajbari. Now going back to home. This was the morning of day 3 was late enough. So yeah. So day 3 at Krishnanagar was a very homely affair. I was home all day and I met, not really home, but I met a few of my relatives here as well. There are more relatives of mine. I went to their houses and that's all for this day. And a surprise is there. Day 3 is not over yet. A surprise is still there, but I shouldn't say the timing. Let's see what is the surprise, because I am in the waiting as you all. So I hope the surprise goes well, the way I've planned, the way we have planned. So yeah, just let's see. The couples for whom we have planned surprise, hope they like it. Now a lot of buzz is going in the house because we all are preparing for some so-called, little feast in the house, because as we're leaving tomorrow and we won't be there tomorrow, so we all have planned a little sort of feast here in the as snacks also, as dinner also. So the preparations are going on, they are all going hush hush all the time. So let's see what happens. Let's take you guys there. So chicken stuffed bun is getting ready, and so it's 11:55 now. More 5 minutes to go. And after that, what happens? There's a big surprise waiting for two beautiful couples. Shh. A very, very, very great suspense is waiting. So let's see what happens. And I'm really tired. I'm really sorry for my voice, because I'm really tired after the whole day. I'm seriously very tired. So pardon for my voice. And the surprise is gone. Ready? Ready? Chalo, ready? Chalo, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you.
ये भगवान
এমা এই বেরিয়ে গেছে এলাকাবাসী। আরে দাদা ভাই দাঁড়াও না, ওখানে
ছবি তুলছি তো।
না রে, আরে দুজনে হাত দিয়ে দাঁড়াও না।
ধরে রাখতো, কিন্তু ধরে রাখো।
তোমরা কোন দিকে কোথায় চালাতে নেমেছো মনে হচ্ছে? কেকের দিকে দেখাও। কেকের দিকে দেখাও।
স্টিল হয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকো।
এবার সিটটাকে ধরে আছে।
হ্যাপি অ্যানিভার্সারি, হ্যাপি অ্যানিভার্সারি। হ্যাপি অ্যানিভার্সারি। খাওয়া জলদি জলদি জলদি।
এই 1 বাই 1 করবে, পোজ দিয়ে গাড়ি থাকবে। ওরে তুলতে তুলতে ভেঙে ফেলছে। 1 বাই 1
চলো, গ্রেট।
দাঁড়াও, এবার তুমি ওদিকে হাতের পোজটা দিয়ে রাখো। কেউ না, পোজ দাও।
সাজেস্টার
পোজ দাও।
মাস্ক নেই, গ্রামে কেউই মাস্ক পরেনি প্যান্ডেলে বিয়ে
পার্টি মোড
না না তাছাড়া এমনি তো ঢোকার সময় তো সবারই বলছিল কি
and tomorrow we have to leave for Kolkata at 5.
লজ্জা করছে, কারোর মাস্ক নেই, আমরা মাস্ক পরে
গ্রামাঞ্চলে কম,
সবারই বলছি
গ্রামাঞ্চলে কম। আমাকে ছোট করে দিও। ছোট করে।
হ্যাঁ আরো চেষ্টা
ডিসেলের ডিসে দিলাম।
তোমাদের একটা
মুখটা ভরা
Oh, bhai sahab. And so I am back to my city, my place, my Calcutta. Again back to the normal life. I missed you, baby. I really missed you. So you missed Kolkata, right?
Yes.
Yes, we miss this place. We miss my baby. So yeah, we are back. So that was all for this video. A video very close to my heart again, because this is a place, this is the time I have visited Krishnanagar after like 12 or 13 years, or maybe less or more than that. I don't count years, right? But I, like in approx, I can say that. So this time I visited this place with so amazing atmosphere. I can't even imagine. I enjoyed so much. So I hope you will guys like this video as well, as much as I like it, because it's very close to my heart. It's very, it's very special to me. So I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your views in the comments, because that's matter the most. Stay happy, stay safe.